Meet Nancy. She is a yoga, meditation and mindfulness coach.
Namaste.
We met on Zoom and both agreed that the best way for her to communicate her offerings to her new clients is without a doubt a website.
She seems really familiar to me. I think I've met her before.
As she's a new business, she doesn't feel that she can afford to hire a professional to help her out with her website.
Cool, I'll build myself a website and get myself some clients then. If only it was that simple.
So she's going to become a web designer overnight. First things first, she needs to select a web platform to build it on.
Comparing all the features and the costs is time consuming and also confusing.
If you want to be successful in the online space, you really need to have more than just a website.
Funnels and lead magnets.
Maybe.
An appointment booking calendar.
Yes.
Email marketing.
Do I need that?
Yes you do.
But once you start adding up all the costs of all the features you need, you're looking at an average spend of around about $150 a month. And on top of this, you have the headache of trying to get all these extra features talking to each other. You may need to employ a computer programmer to help out. This is why we recommend coaches go with an all-in-one platform, a platform that offers all the features you need in one solution.
What I need is a more holistic approach to my tech. So let's compare the two main all-in-one platforms,
Kajabi and Wix.
While Wix is affordable to start with, it has some major drawbacks for coaches. Its responsiveness, or lack of it, was incredibly poor. You get your website looking great and then you switch to mobile view and basically it just looks like a great big dog turd. And essentially you have to build the website twice, once for desktop and then mobile all over again. The user experience for the membership section is really bad, considering that you have to pay extra for it. It's just not worth it. Wix is very much a jack of all trades platform with features for restaurants and hotels, dropshippers, and it can get confusing wading through all the different stuff to find out what you actually need to run a successful coaching business. Kajabi, on the other hand, is more built for coaches and online experts, but it comes with a much higher price tag. It can take a bit of time to learn to use the Kajabi platform, and if you don't have the time to invest in it or the money to spend on a Kajabi designer, the chances are your site's going to look pretty generic, plain and uninspiring. And there's another really big problem Nancy is coming, which she's not even aware of yet. She's a coach, not a marketer, designer or copywriter. How does she even know how to create a website that's going to turn visitors into clients? There's actually a bit more to it than just putting a buy now button on a web page. So maybe you don't think websites are that important, but I'll tell you something that I have learned, and that is the little things, or the things that I perceive to be really little, were actually super important, and by overlooking them and disregarding them as just small, not important things, they actually really held back my business. So what would I advise Nancy do? Well, she has 3 options to choose from. 1, somehow get the money together and seek out a professional that works specifically with clients just like her. Someone who understands how to create a website that communicates with empathy, clarity, and knows how to start building trust with an audience. And use a web platform that doesn't break the bank. Number 2, she can select a web platform herself that meets her needs for now. Sign up for an online course that is specifically for people like her that teaches her all the marketing strategies she needs to understand. And on top of that, get to grips with the new platform as well. All the tech stuff associated with it, including any other software integrations. All with the knowledge that she may actually want to scrap this whole web platform when she needs more features down the line. Or the third option, the final option, is to sign up to an all-in-one platform that is super easy to use and has great looking templates specifically designed for coaches like her. Integrated with AI to make copywriting a breeze, a platform that runs step-by-step courses that integrate both the marketing strategy and the tech strategy, and an online community to answer all of her questions whenever she needs. A platform that could grow with her business. Say she could start in a more affordable plan today and upgrade it when she needs more features so she doesn't have to scrap the whole website. The problem is that web platform didn't exist. Well, it didn't until we created it. Yes, we've created our own web platform, Get Nice Websites. And if you want to give it a try, check out the link below, 14-day completely free trial. That's what Nancy did. And now look at her website. Now, if you're thinking this is all good, but you're just not ready to even start a website yet, then check out this video. It might help you find a little bit more clarity.